Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a tip jar onto your Streamlabs OBS Studio. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to your Streamlabs, and then on this screen from here. So what you want to do is you should see this source, and then move your mouse over just a little bit until you see this plus sign. Alright, and then it's going to ask you to add a new source to your scene. So go ahead and click on the plus sign. From here, you should see standard, and then you should see widgets. Okay, and then you should see this one right here. It says the jar, and you have chat box right above it. So it should be like right underneath the chat box. So after that, go ahead and click on the jar, and then from here, go ahead and hit add source. Alright, now it's going to ask you to change your name, whatever you want it to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep mine the same, just to keep it simple. So I'm going to hit add a source. Here you got so many different jar images. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep it the same as you see here on the screen, and then once you're done picking out your different tip jars, go ahead and click on done. Alright, now once you're done with that, you can always move it to anywhere on the screen you want it to be. You can also change the different size, like you can have it big as it can get, but for me, I'm just gonna keep it small onto the corner here, just like that. So that's basically how you add a tip jar onto Streamlabs OBS Studio. So if you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them down below. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you haven't hit like and subscribe to my channel yet, please do so. And now it's time for me to go play some video games, and I'll see ya later.